Hello friends, from Best Choice Technologies, Leica Geosystems. Today we'll be showing you how we can transfer the data from Leica Disto D1 to your phone by using this Leica Disto Plan app via Bluetooth. So it's very simple. You open the app, turn on your Bluetooth first on your phone, open this app, turn on the Leica Disto. You will get the Bluetooth setting in this also. It's always turned on. Go to Sketch. These are some of the options which you get. It will help you to use the app later on. So you have to first connect the Leica Disto to your phone. So click on this button now. So this button is now gray. So when it is gray, you can understand that the Disto has not been connected to the phone. So you click on this. So here you can see it is already displayed. It is already searched for this Disto. It is also showing which model it is. Click on connect. See, it is giving a message that the Disto is connected, and you will also get a Bluetooth sign on the screen of the Disto. Now what you have to do is draw your desired draw your desired sketch here. You can also use this the other functions that you have on this. Like example, I am drawing a square here. Now what you have to do is measure on the Leica Disto. You can see this laser dot here. I'm measuring. You can see this measurement, 0.617 meters. You get the same measurement here. This is the last measurement which you have done. These are the earlier measurements. This is the last measurement. So what you have to do is just drag and drop on the side of side of the square which you have just measured. So I just drag and drop this on this line. So you can see it is already automatically scaled the drawing. So likewise you can measure the other three sides of the square. Like I'm measuring another measurement which is 693. So you can just drag and drop on the other side. So it will keep on scaling. So this is how you can use the Leica Disto Plan app along with the Leica Disto D1 to do the sketching. So you don't have to use any of your notebooks. Get rid of all your measurements which you keep on writing. Have this professional app and impress your clients. You can also, when you are done with this, you can also export it. You have the export option here, and export it in your desired formats that you want. You can also do it in PDF or JPEG. These are the options available now. You will have to pay for all these. You can see you will have to pay for all these. These are open, which you can easily transfer to. And you can also do a 3D drawing of this. So if you give it a height, you can also get it into a 3D model. Suppose I click on this. It is asking me to So I can enter the height here via, I can enter the height manually as well, or enter it by measuring the height via the disto. So I'll just measure it via the disto. So I am keeping it like this. It is measuring. It has measured the height as 1.907. You can see it has come up here. I'll click on add, and here it is. You get your 3D model along with the height. Thanks a lot from Best Choice Technologies, Leica Geosystems. You can always call us for more help on this. Thanks.